Just slowly open your eyes and say Jai Gurudev. Yes, children. Today we are going to have our English session and ma'am is going to recall the previous lesson, Lillo's new pet. You all remember the chapter? You all remember the chapter? Yes? You all know the story? Yes? Ma'am is going to recall the story once again for you. Okay. Yes. Are you all ready? Yes. If you have textbook, kindly have the textbook with you, page number 48. Okay. So after the session gets over, ma'am will ask questions on it. Okay, children, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes. Very good. So ma'am will be sharing the screen. Wait for a moment. Yes. So what is the lesson name? Come on, everyone, repeat. Lillo's new pet. Lillo's new pet. So, Lillo is the name of a little girl, right? Yes, Lillo is the name of the little girl in this story. Okay, she is trying to find a good name for her new pet. Okay, so where she is living? Where she is living? She lived in a big yellow house with trees around it. It's a very big house, yellow color, and with trees around it. So she moved into the house just a few days ago. Okay, so just before a few days that Lilo has shifted their home, right? So Lilo felt lonely and was missing her friends from her old colony. Okay, as she was new to this place, she missed all her friends in her old colony. So every day after school, she used to play and have fun with them, right? So every day after school, they'll be playing, it seems. But since she has shifted to a new place, she has no friends, right? Yes, she did not have any friends in our new neighborhood. Okay, how she is now? She is happy or sad? She is happy or sad? See, Lilo was lying on a bed, right? Bored and sad. Can you see that? Yes, she was bored and sad because she feel lonely. Okay, now a mother comes in. Lilo, come here, please. Called her mother. So what Lilo is doing now? Lilo yawned and stretched and climbed out of the bed. Now on when a mother called her, what she was doing? She yawned, stretched, and what? She climbed out of the bed. Okay. So what the mother is telling now? What the mother is telling? Lilo, I have a surprise for you. What Lilo's mother is telling? Lilo, I have a surprise for you. So what's there in her hand? Can you see? She's having something in her hand. Yes, she brought a red bag. Can you see that? Yes. What's there in the bag? What's there in the bag? She's having something surprise for her, right? Yes. What it is? Is it a dog? Is it a dog? No, it's a little puppy, right? Yes, very good, Sai Lakshmi. She handed over the bag to Lilo. She looked inside and found two little bright eyes looking at her. Yes, what it is? Was a cute puppy. So on seeing that puppy, see, Lilo is so happy. And what she said? What she said? Wow, a puppy. Thank you, Ma. I love you, said Lilo. So and happy. What she said? She said, it's very nice. Thank you so much. And I love you, said Lilo. Now what she's doing? She reached inside the bag and picked up the small little brown dog. Okay, it was a small little brown puppy, right? With big floppy ears. See the puppy? Yes? So nice, so cute, right? Yes, she cuddled the dog tightly. He licked her face. Now, what the little puppy is doing? It started to lick the face as she cuddled. What do you mean by cuddled? Holding someone tightly, right? So when she cuddled, what this little puppy was doing? He licked her face. So Lilo was so happy. Okay, she carried the puppy into the kitchen where her mother was standing. Okay, now she is taking the puppy to the kitchen where the mother was, right? So now the mother is asking, what are you going to call him? Asked her mother. What she was asking? What are you going to call him? So, have you named your puppy? Like that, the mother is asking. Now, what this little Lilo was replying? I don't know it, Mama. I have to think of a name. Lilo replied, no, still now I didn't keep any name for my puppy. I have to decide it. Okay, now she is telling that I have to think of it. Now she took to the garden. Okay, so can you see the garden? Yes, with so much of plants with beautiful flowers, right? Yes. Okay, now she took the puppy outside to the garden and she lay down on the grass. Okay, the puppy ran all about, coming up to her now and then to lick her ears and nose. Now the little puppy, since it was a new place, when she lay down on the grass and leave the puppy was so happy. It was running here and there. Okay, so often that puppy came to Lilo and started to lick her face. Okay, and again it was running here and there. So it was so happy. Lilo was also happy. Yes. Okay, and as she watched him play, she began to think of a name for him. Okay, see, the little puppy was playing. Now Lilo was thinking a name for her puppy. So let's see what name she's going to keep. Now she's thinking, should I call him Spot? Should I call him Spot? No, he hasn't got any spots. So what this little girl is thinking? What is the name she was thinking in her mind? What is the name she was thinking in her mind? Yes, answer in the chat. Spot. Very good. Did she like the name? Did she like the name? Did she keep that name for the puppy? No. Why? Why she didn't keep that name for that puppy? Why she didn't keep that name for the puppy? Because he has, yes, very good. He did not have any spots. Very good. He don't have any spots, right? Very good. So that how I can keep this name for my puppy, like that she thought, and she didn't keep that name for that puppy. Next, what she was thinking in her mind? What is the name? What is the second name she was thinking in her mind? Yes, can you see in the slide? Yes, exactly. Should I call him Max? Yes, now she was thinking that can I keep the name Max? No, that is not a cute name for him, thought Lilo. The second name she was thinking in her mind is Max. But then she was telling to herself that this is not a cute name for my puppy. Okay, so she didn't keep that name for her puppy. Okay, now the puppy went happily around exploring the garden. See, he was nicely playing in the garden. Now, what this little puppy is doing? See, he is doing something in the garden. Yes, the little puppy is doing something in the garden. What it was doing? Yes, he saw a butterfly and ran behind it. Okay, to try to catch it. Okay, so he saw a butterfly and ran behind it, trying to catch it. He came back after some time with mud all over him. So, as he was playing, what happened? He had mud all over the body. So, he was so dirty. Now she was thinking of another name. You all remember that? Yes? What have you done to yourself? You are so dirty. Now this little girl is telling, yes, what have you done to yourself? You're so dirty. On seeing that little puppy with full of mud, she's telling, should I call you Dusty? Because he is full of dust, right? So now, what is the little girl is telling? Should I call you Dusty? No, Dusty is not an interesting name. Again, she was thinking that it was not an interesting name for the puppy, right? Lilo lay down again, thinking hard to find the best name for a puppy. Again, she was laying down, and she was what? Thinking of a name for a puppy. What I should keep like that? She is thinking in her mind. Okay, sitting on the grass, and she was thinking. But what this little puppy is doing now? As she was thinking, what this little puppy is doing? Can you see what this little puppy is doing? Yes? What is doing? Can you see? Yes? What is doing in the garden? He smelled the flowers, and what he is doing? Very good. He started to eat them. Can you see that? Yes? See, he was eating the flowers in the garden. Yes. Then he took his short little legs and started to dig a hole in the ground. What he was doing now? After eating the flowers, what this little puppy is doing? Can you see? He started to dig a hole in the ground. And as he was doing that, what happened? The dirt went flying everywhere. Okay, so now the dirt is flying. Now this little Lilo got a name for a puppy. Come here, puppy. Lilo called. When the puppy came back running to her, she said, I know what I'm going to call you now. Your name is going to be Digger, because you like to dig holes. So what was the name kept by the little Lilo? Yes? What is the name she selected? Yes, for a little puppy? Yes, exactly, Digger. Very good. Why she kept that name for that little puppy? Why she kept that name for this little puppy? Digger, as Digger. Because what the puppy is doing? Yes, it was digging the hole, right? So that little Lilo thinks that he likes to dig holes in the ground, so that she kept the name as Digger. Okay, now she was so happy that she got a new name for her puppy. Now she wasn't so happy, and now she was calling her mommy. Hey, mommy, come outside. I have got a name for my puppy. So she was calling her mother. Okay, mommy, come outside. I've got a name for my puppy. So as you called, her mother also came into the garden. Actually, it's not bigger. It is Digger. Digger. Okay, so she came into the garden. Now she was telling to her mother, I'm going to call him Tigger. Now she was telling, I'm going to call him as Tigger. Now he likes to dig, mommy, so I'm going to call him as Tigger. So Lilo smiled and said this. So mommy was also happy. But what she told to her daughter? What she said to her daughter? She said, well, make sure it doesn't dig my flowers up, right? Okay, okay. So see to it that you should not dig my flowers up. On seeing the little puppy eating the flowers over there, now mother is telling, okay, okay, take care that he should not eat my flowers, right? So after saying this, a mother went into the house. Now Lilo picked up the puppy and took him in. Okay, now she said something in the ears of the little puppy. You all remember that? Yes, she said something secretly. Yes, what it is? She whispered something in the ears of the puppy. Yes, you all remember? Yes? No more digging the plastic girl. Yes? You all remember that? Yes. So mommy said, he should not dig my flowers up. So the same she was saying in the of the puppy, right? No more digging the flowers, digger. Now what this little puppy is doing? He stuck his tongue out and started to lick her nose. Now Lilo laughed and laughed since she was so happy. So what she has done? She was so happy, na? So that night, what she was doing? She felt asleep with Jigger lying next to her. Okay, so she took the puppy inside, and all day she was playing with that little puppy, and she was lying with the puppy. See, can you find that? Yes. Yes, very good, very good. So see, that little girl was sleeping with her puppy. She was so happy, right? It was a wonderful surprise by her mother. Very good. So what was the name kept by the little girl to her puppy at last? Digger. Yes, exactly. She was thinking about all the names, right? Spot, Max, Dusty. Finally, he decided to keep the name Tigger. Very good. So you all like the story? You all have enjoyed this? Okay, ma'am will be sending this video in your class groups today, right? You all watch the video. It will be very nice. You can learn the new words, how ma'am is reading out the sentence in the lesson. So you're all going to listen to the video. Okay, children? Yes, very good. Now ma'am is going to ask questions. So be alert. I can call any name from the chat. Okay, so be alert. So ma'am is going to ask questions. Be ready. Yes, now over to Kanchana ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes, children. So you all enjoyed the story, isn't it? Yes, and you all understood the story. Yes? Yes or no? Yes, come on, start giving thumbs up. Yes, very good. Super. Okay, children. Okay, now we will do textbook exercise. Okay, we will do textbook exercise. Take English reader, page number 51. Take English reader, page number 51. Come on, make it fast, everyone. Yes, did you all take English reader page number 51? Yes, okay. So here is an activity exercise for you. Arrange the following events of the story in the correct order by numbering them. Okay, see, few sentences are given for you. What you're going to do is you're going to arrange it in correct order. Okay, yes, the sentences given here are jumbled. Okay, so you're going to arrange it in correct order. See, ma'am will first read out the sentence for you. Listen carefully. Then you can arrange it in proper order. Okay. So first sentence, A sentence. Lilo looked inside the bag. Lilo looked inside the bag. Second, B sentence. Lilo was sad and bored. What is the B sentence? Lilo was sad and bored. Now, next sentence, C. Lilo named her puppy Digger. Lilo named her puppy Digger. Now, next sentence, D sentence. Lilo's mother brought a big red bag. Lilo's mother brought a big red bag. Now, E sentence, last sentence. Lilo felt asleep with Digger lying next to her. Okay, so these are the sentences given here. Okay, children? So you are going to arrange it in proper order. Okay? Yes, so which sentence will come first? Manish of 2D, kindly unmute yourself. Manish. Manish of 2D, are you there? Manish? Okay. Nandarakshan of 2D, are you there? Nandarakshan? Nandarakshan, kindly unmute yourself, Kana. Nandarakshan, are you there? Parvesh, are you there? Parvesh of 2D? Parvesh of 2D, are you there? Sailesh? Sailesh of 2D?
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
Nandarakshan, ma'am.
Nandarakshan. Okay, good morning. Yes, Parvesh, kindly wait, Kana. Okay, next to Nandarakshan, you will answer. Yes, Nandarakshan, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Kana. Can you tell me which sentence will come first?
Lilos looked inside the bag.
No, before that, how was Lilo feeling?
Sad.
Very good, Lilo. So, B option will come first. Okay, Lilo was sad and bored. Very good, Nandarakshan. Very good. Thank you, Kana. You can go on mute. So, children, you have to write number 1 in the
Thank you.
bracket given. Yes, Kana. Now, next, Parvesh. Parvesh, are you there, ma?
Ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Parvesh.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, what page, ma'am?
It's in page number 51 in your reader, English reader, 51. Okay. Yes, Parvesh. Now you tell me, when Lilo was sad and bored, what did Lilo's mother give her? What did Lilo's mother give her? Lilo's mother?
Lilo's mother.
What did she give to Lilo?
Rod. Rod.
She gave something, no? Some colored bag. What color bag she gave? What color? Yellow color, red color or green color? What color bag she gave Lilo's mother?
Red color.
Very good, Parvesh. Yes. So D option will come next. Lilo's mother brought a big red bag. Okay. Now, okay. As soon as Lilo's mother gave the bag, what did Lilo do? Did Lilo keep the bag aside? Yes. What did she do? Yes. Sailesh of 2D. Sailesh. Sailesh, are you there? Sailesh? Okay. Lingesh of...
Your voice.
Am I not audible? Yes, Sailesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible. The voice is
Okay,
clear.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Sailesh, are you there, ma? No. Okay. Lingesh of 2E.
Ma'am, Sayan.
Shayan, kindly wait, Kana. I'll ask you. Okay? Kindly wait. Lingesh of 2E, are you there? Okay. Yes, Shayan. Now you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Shayan. Okay, now tell me, what did Lilo do next? Lilo's mother gave her a big red bag, isn't it?
Yes.
So next sentence, what will come?
Lilo felt asleep with Tiggery laying next to her.
No, this happened in the last, isn't it? As
Yes.
soon as Lilo's mother brought a big red bag, what did Lilo do? She looked inside the bag or she just kept the bag aside?
Look, ma'am.
Very good. So next sentence is Lilo looked inside the bag. Very good, Kana. You can go on mute now. Very good. Yes. Now, Ryan of 2E. Are you there, Ryan? Ryan of 2E. Sharjit of 2E. Are you there, Sharjit? Of 2E. Okay. Shravan. Shravan, are you there? Mute yourself, dear. Kavi Charan. Kishore of 2F. Yes, Kishore, are you there? Okay, Krishwant of 2F.
Yes.
Ashwini, ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're clear, ma'am. You're audible.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Yeah, ma'am, thank you. Krishwant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Krishwant.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now. Isn't it?
Not audible, ma'am.
What did
Ma'am.
her puppy? Yes, Kana, tell me.
Repeat, ma'am.
Yes? See, Lilo named her puppy, isn't?
Not audible, ma'am.
What was the name Lilo get for her puppy? Digger. Yes, repeat to ma'am. Digger.
Digger.
Yes, Lilo named her puppy Digger. Okay, very good, Krishwan. Thank you. You can go on mute.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So now the last sentence will come in the last, isn't it? Finally, what did Lilo do? Lilo felt asleep with Digger lying next to her. Okay. Yes, children. So the order is 3, 1, 4, 2, 5. In page number 51. Yes, did you all make a note of the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, super. Okay, now you all are going to take your workbook. Now everyone take your English workbook. Take your English workbook.
What page, ma'am? Page number what, ma'am? Your page number what, ma'am? Ma'am, your voice
Okay,
is
so now
breaking. Voice is breaking, ma'am.
given for you.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Your
Yes, ma'am.
voice is not breaking.
Be having some network issues, I believe, dear, because it's clear for others. Okay, see, children, few sentences are given for you, and you're going to tell me who done this. Okay, see. Lohit of 2F. Mitresh. Mitresh, are you there, Mitresh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Mitresh. Mitresh, good morning. Yes, can you read the A question? A. Mitresh, are you there? Padmesh of 2F. Of 2F, are you? Yes, who's this? Can you tell me your name? What, ma?
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Dear, it's clear for all others. I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking.
Children, start unmuting and read the question. Ma'am will help you out. Okay. Yes, Ranganathan.
Ma'am, I'm Teja.
Okay, Teja.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Girija, ma'am, is my voice breaking, ma'am? Ashwini, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Children, kindly be on mute, everyone, so that you won't be getting disturbance. Okay, if you everyone on mute, you won't be getting the proper signal. So, whomever ma'am is calling, that particular child alone, kindly unmute. Everyone go on mute first. Everyone go on mute. Yes, ma'am, you can continue, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, children. See, now I'll read out the first question. You all are going to answer me. See, Dash yawned and stretched and climbed out of bed. Who yawned and stretched and climbed out of bed? Mother, puppy, or Lilo? It was puppy or Lilo? Who yawned and stretched and climbed out of bed? It was Lilo, isn't it? Yes, very good. Lilo. So you're going to write a question. Dash brought a big red bag. Who brought a big red bag? Mother or puppy?
Mother, ma'am.
Who brought? Mother. Very good. So now we are going to write mother in the blank given. Okay. Now the C question. Dash ran all about, coming up to her now and then to lick her ears and nose. So who was running all about? Mother or puppy? Who was running all about? Who was running all about? Mother or puppy? It was puppy. Very good. So now we are going to write puppy in the blank given.
Ma'am,
Now the next. Yes, ma?
workbook or reader, ma'am?
Workbook. Workbook page number 44. Okay, now the next. Okay, Kanna. Now the next question, D question. Dash picked up the puppy and took him in. So who picked up the puppy? Lilo or her mother? Who picked up the puppy? Yes, who was playing with the puppy and picked the puppy? Lilo or Lilo's mother?
Mama. Lilo.
No. Lilo, very good. Lilo only picked the puppy, isn't it? Now the last question, E question. Dash smelled the flowers and started to eat them.
Puppy.
Very good. Puppy. So puppy was smelling the flowers, isn't it? And started to eat the flowers. Okay. Now did you all make a note of the answers? You all know the answers now, isn't it? Even after the session gets completed, you can write it. Now listen. See, you're going to tell me which sentence is correct. Okay. Why do you think Lilo's mother brought a puppy for her? Okay, why do you think Lilo's mother brought a puppy for her? Lilo's mother. It's in the same page, in page number 44. It's okay. So, why feeling lonely and needed a friend, or Lilo wanted a puppy to help her with her homework? So which option is correct? Lilo was feeling lonely and needed a friend? Or yes, the first option.
Ma'am, even
The friend. Isn't it? So because she was missing her friend. Makana, everyone go on mute. If you are unmuting during the session, others cannot hear it properly.
Ma'am,
What, ma?
fill in the blank even.
Fill in the blanks with the right person was the previous exercise, ma. You can do it after the session gets over. Okay, now just listen to the class. Okay, so option 1 is correct because Lilo was feeling very lonely, isn't it? Okay, so now the B question. Listen, what are the names that Lilo thought for her puppy? Yes, few names she thought for her puppy, isn't it? Now we are going to list it out. So what was the first name Lilo thought for her puppy? What was the first name? Can any one of you tell? What was the first name? Spot, is it? Now, what was the second name? Next to Spot, what name she thought? Max. So you're going to write M-A-X, Max. And next to Max, what was the name? Next to Max, what was the name? It was Dusty. Very good. Dusty. D-U-S-T-Y. Dusty. And finally, what name she kept for her puppy? Finally, she decided one name, no? What was that name? Digger. What was the name? Digger. D-I-G-G-E-R. Digger. Okay. So these are the 4 names she kept for her puppy. Yes? Okay. So with this, we have finished our workbook exercise and textbook exercise. Isn't it? Okay. See, children, when ma'am is calling out your name to read out something, you are supposed to unmute and read it. Yes, Padmesh is also present. Yes. If you're not answering, then you will be marked as absent. Okay. Ma'am is giving marks for what and all you're answering. Yes? Okay. Yes, Kavichar.